How to perform Umrah can be done any time of the year. 1. Ihram, before entering Mecca, wear Ihram garments and make the niyyah intention for Umrah. Recite Talbiyah, Labbaik Alhamma Labbaik. 2. Tawaf, enter Masjid al-Haram and perform 7 anti-clockwise circuits around the Kaaba. 3. Sa'i, walk 7 times between the hills of Safa and Marwah, starts at Safa, ends at Marwah. 4. Hair cutting shaving, Halq or taksir. Men shave or trim their hair. Women cut a small portion about a fingertip's length. This completes Umrah. How to perform Hajj, performed on fixed Islamic dates from 8th to 13th Hajj. 1. 8th Hajj, Ihram and Mina. Wear Ihram, make intention for Hajj, go to Mina and pray. 2. 9th Hajj, Arafat. Stay at Arafat till sunset, most important pillar. Pray and make dua. After sunset, go to Muzdalifah, pray Maghrib/Isha, and stay overnight. 3. 10th Hajj, Ramai sacrifice hair Tawaf. Ramai, throw 7 pebbles at Jamrat al-Aqaba. Sacrifice, offer animal sacrifice. Shaving trimming, Halq or taksir. Perform Tawaf al-Ifada and say. 4. 11th 13th Hajj, Ramai days. Each day, throw pebbles at all 3 Jamarat. 5. Final Tawaf al-Wada. Before leaving Mecca, perform a farewell Tawaf.